Friends, this is Nikita Singhai. Now I'm going to start a new chapter of Civics Class 9 Electoral Politics Part 2. If you have not seen Part 1, kindly see it. It is in a previous video as I have shared the link below. And please do like and subscribe my channel so that you can get more for updates. So before itself, we have discussed about what is necessary to have an election and why election has been necessary to carry out in a democratic country. So now we can see the question. It is good to have a political competition. So we can see it can be divided into two parts: merit and demerit. Demerit means it is not good. Clearly an electoral competition has many demerits. बहुत सारे नुकसान है इसके. It create a sense of disunity and fractionalism in everyday society. ये लोगों के बीच में कास्टिज्म हीन भावना लेके आता है और सोसाइटी में एक यूनिटी को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करता है और डिसयूनिटी में कन्वर्ट करता है. We can also see candidate and parties use dirty methods for winning election. Dirty tricks खेलते एक दूसरे को हराने के लिए एक दूसरे को फंसाने का काम करने लगते हैं. People who want to serve the country avoid entering in the fields to owing unhealthy competition. जो अच्छे सात्विक सज्जन लोग होते हैं तो वो इसमें नहीं इंडल्ज होना चाहते. वो सोचते हैं कि इससे हमारी फालतू में आइडेंटिटी और एक तरीके से हमारा नुकसान होगा हमारी पर्टिकुलर इमेज पे. तो अच्छे कैंडिडेट की कमी रहती है इलेक्शन में. और इलेक्शन के फायदे हैं. मेरिट्स ऑफ इलेक्शन: पीपल विल गेट द फुल राइट टू वोट एंड चूज द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. लोगों को अधिकार मिलेगा राइट टू वोट, अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को चूज करने का. Country which has adopted the election procedure is also counted in democratic country. It helps in the elected representative to go out and serve the country and the countryman. After the people get the right to vote, they are considered as equal. The following picture shows the country who have adopted democracy has had benefited. See, these are the countries that are carrying out. So now we can see what is our system of election. So the Lok Sabha and the Vidhan Sabha elections are held every 5 years. The Lok Sabha election is called the general election. There are certain elections that are conducted in a particular constituency owing to the death, resignation of a member. These are called by-election. तो इन सब चीज़ों को जानने के बाद हम ये कह सकते हैं कि इलेक्टोरल कंपटीशन डिसयूनिटी क्रिएट करता है. A party play dirty tricks in leading an election. The pressure to win an election stops long-term planning and in long-term involvement of good people to come and participate for the country. तो free competition carry out justice among long-term process. People have a supreme power to make the leaders win. Party have to serve for the people. Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha help in carrying out the procedure of the constitution. और जनरल असेंबली में क्या रहता है? if a candidate had died or have given a resignation तो एक हम जनरल असेंबली भी लॉन्च कर सकते हैं.